Welcome to our Easy Energy video. In this video, we will give you a quick tour on how Easy Energy is used and how it can benefit your work. Easy Energy measures energy, force, speed, and angle during a door closing event. Most door types can be measured, including rotating design, lift gate, trunk, or hood. It mounts to the vehicle in a matter of seconds using a suction cup which works on steel, aluminum, plastic, and glass surfaces. Two adjustable feet stabilize the unit on angled or uneven surfaces and remove any flexing which could throw off the measurements. The force gauge can also be adjusted to a horizontal position to avoid the influence of curved surfaces. Pressing the Start button zeroes the device and prepares it for a measurement. When a force impulse is applied to the force gauge, then the device will start taking a measurement. For optimal and most accurate results, the force should be applied over a short distance of the door travel. Exceeding the predefined distance limit will trigger a warning to make the user aware of the incorrect manipulation. To find the lowest closing energy, apply a small force to move the door, but not enough to fully latch it. Increase the force on the next test gradually until the door fully latches. Once fully latched, press the Closed button, and this will be the lowest closed measurement. When satisfied with the measurement, the End button is pressed to return the device to the main screen ready for another test. There is a second measurement process mode that can be used with energy or multi-mode called Gap Mode. Gap Mode compares the lowest closed measurement with the highest not closed measurement. Once both measurements are within a set difference of each other, the device calculates the minimum closed energy. This mode provides a guarantee accuracy for the minimum closed energy independent of the user. There are 5 modes or characteristics that can be measured with a single Easy Energy unit. Energy mode measures the energy impulse from the operator used to close the door. Speed mode shows the current or closing speed of the door. Force mode shows the live force acting on the force gauge and also displays the maximum force below. This can be used to measure static seal force, check force, and other force-related operations. Angle mode measures the total sweep angle of the closing motion from button press to final position. Multi-mode shows energy for the current measurement and energy, speed, and force for the lowest closed measurement. Pressing the Setup button opens the settings menu, where units, tolerances, language, modes, and other device options can be changed. These device settings can be locked by enabling Operator mode from the settings menu. Easy Energy comes with an exchangeable lithium-ion battery for continuous operation, along with a desktop charger. Easy Energy can be purchased as a standalone device or with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi chips to interface with Audit or PLS software. Audit is our development and benchmarking software and expands Easy Energy use by adding vehicle tracking, instant measurement graphing, and side-by-side comparisons for multiple doors. The force and speed curves can be downloaded from the device to show the entire door closing event in great detail. Audit also has a manual testing mode, which allows many extra tests to be performed with the device, including door sweep, static force, and more. Multiple devices can be connected to Audit, which allows synchronous measurements to be performed. PLS is our production line software, which expands Easy Energy use for a production environment, with a database for storing measurements and can integrate with other databases. It also offers a fully customizable interface with many graphs and reports for at-a-glance quality tracking. For more technical information and to contact us, please visit easymetrology.com. Thank you for watching.